Okay, so today we are going to be making a document using word processing, which is the program we use is Word, and it is going to be about the 8 parts of a computer that you took the notes on. So the first thing I need you to do, and please make sure you do this, do not just go to the Office 365 version of Word. If you do, it will not work. So I need you to go to the search bar down here, and if you type in the word Word, and it will come up, and it's an app. If you click on it, it will open up. And yours will probably look something like this. So now once you have this, you need to click on blank document. All right. So now the first thing you need to do is if you go up here, first of all, you're on, do you see how you have all these up here? We are pretty much going to stay on home and insert will be the two that we use. But so make sure you're on home. And if you go to this subgroup paragraph, you see how it has align left, center, and align right. So we're going to center. And if you want to change the font, you may. You do not have to. The only thing I request is that you don't do something like this that I can't read. So go ahead and change the font to something that you like. And I would change the font to 12. Once you have done that, you're going to type in parts of a computer. And since this is a title, we're going to capitalize computer. We're going to hit the Enter key twice. And then we are going to go back to left align. So now this is in the center, I need you to go over here so it lines up on the left side, and you are going to type in hardware. Whatever definition you put as hardware on your paper, that's what you need to type here. So you should have a definition of hardware here. When you are done, you hit the Enter key twice, and you go up to this top toolbar, and you're going to go to Insert, a table. If you click on the little down arrow, you'll get this. And we need 4 across and 9 down. Or no, we'll go with 8. All right, 8 down. That's fine. So now once you click on it, you have a table. You see your cursor is right here. So wherever your cursor is where you're going to type. So we are going to put number 1. And what was the very first thing that we talked about? CPU. Then we had the definition. So we're going to go over here to the second one, and you're going to click in it, and you are going to say runs the code. The third one is an example, and we're going to say it's the brain. And then if I click over here, the last one is a picture. No, I do not expect you to draw a picture. However, if you go up here to Insert Pictures from Stock Images, so not this device, that's if you saved it. Stock Images is pictures that Word provides you, and online would be if you went searching for it. So we're just going to go to Stock Pictures. And we're going to type in CPU. Oops, I guess I should type right. Okay, and then you have a picture. You can choose whichever picture you identify with. You click on it. All right, so now it makes it super, super, super big. So see all these handles? They're these little circles. You need to click, hold, and drag it up. So that you can make it manageable. It doesn't have to be tiny. It doesn't have to be the size of the text here. It just has to be that. You will do all 8 parts. You need to have the name, what it does, the example, and then a picture. Once you have done that, then you will go up to File, Save As. And this is where you have to make sure you are doing it correctly. You go to File, Save As, all right? You can go to OneDrive right here. Remember, we talked about cloud computing. It tells you that's where you are, okay? And then I'm going to go to More Options. So I'm going to go to OneDrive. I'm going to go to Digital Discoveries. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to double click on Q1, and I'm going to call it DD -1-3. And then you hit save. If you do not save it with the correct username in the correct place, there will be points taken off. Once you have done that, you will go to Schoology, Week 1, Parts of a Computer, and then go to Submission. If you need help submitting, you can ask me. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please ask me.